For my final light switch solution, I need to address this dual switch in my downstairs bathroom. The bottom switch controls the fan, top switch controls the light. Bottom switch, I'd like the fan to go on for like say an hour and a half each time it's activated. The light, I want independent control. I'll never need dimming, so I'll probably make them both relay controlled. Let's see what I come up with. Here we have the layout for the dual switch light switch. 2 relays. I had to rearrange the board a bit to get everything on there. I set it on a small whip to the ESP because this blocks a lot of signal. So if we can, did that fall off? Well, I have to solder that on better. Did run out of 3-volt power supplies. I do have some more on order, but in this case I added in a little component there to switch to 3 volts. Things could be a little cleaner on there, but I had to cut it up a bit for the voltage regulator. Essentially, this would be the hot wire. These are the 2 switched outputs, and of course the neutral. Alright, to assemble the dual button light switch, we insert the compression switches in here. I have some compression springs I put in here already to help return the center. Just a little insert in there. Just get that in there better. I guess I should try to fit those first. There it goes. This one too. I'll go like that. A little more forceful than I wanted, but then we'll take our screws here and we screw it together. There we have it. Light and fan. Of course, that'll fit on one of my boxes. Like so. Okay. That is construction of the 3D printed portion of my dual button light switch. We have the finished light switch. Seems to work fine. My next video, I'll go through the software operation, the software I put together for my light switches. I had to do a bit of a rewrite to obviously control 2 switches, essentially doubled all the variables so that I could have them both work on timers or whatever, But actually ends up working pretty good. Thanks for watching.